Hey, welcome back, graduates. So today I'm going to be showing you a tool that we rolled out, and this is a very beta tool. It works, sometimes it doesn't work. Now this tool will be a lot more beneficial to you if you already understand how Shopify works and you at least know some basic like HTML and CSS. And what this tool does, it allows you to create sections for your theme. Now, I'm going to be using our theme Ecomify because it's built off of Bootstrap, and Bootstrap is just a very good framework to kind of build websites. It's mobile first, very responsive, and it's very easy to create HTML elements for it. So Bootstrap, if you go to bootstrap.com or wherever you want to go, this will work with any CSS, any HTML, but for this case, I'm using the Bootstrap 5.3 example. So say, for instance, you want this option here. So what we're going to do is we're just going to inspect element here. And what we'll do is we'll go in and grab the entire element here. So we'll go here, copy element. And then what we're going to do is we're going to go right into here, and we're just going to literally paste the code. Now, there's no settings, there's no section settings or anything like that. And we're going to call this hero text. And because there's no inline CSS, which you can actually include inline CSS, you don't have to randomize it. You can also prefix your CSS. You can also enable custom settings, which here's an example of how custom settings work. If you're familiar with Shopify section schema or their schema settings, this will make sense to you. We're selecting the type for the schema, or the labels, the ID, the options, and whatever, and the default option. I'll go in more detail on this, but for this case, we're just gonna be creating a very quick and easy centered hero content area or content section. So all you do is you just click convert, and there we go, just like so. So now you can do one of two things. You can download it or you can just copy it. So for this case, I'm just going to copy it to clipboard. We're going to go into sections, add new section. We're going to call it hero-text, hit done, and highlight all this, paste it in, and we're just going to hit save. And then what we'll do is we'll go and customize the theme. All right, and we'll go in and we're going to go and add that section now. Hero text. Okay, all right, and my computer's being slow today. And there we go. There's our hero text. And as you can see, we didn't select an image or anything like that yet. So for this case, we're just going to go in and plop this in there. Hit done. There's the image, and if you noticed, it gave you image height, image width. It gave you the heading 1 text, the button 1, button 2. It didn't give you an option for links because, if I'm not mistaken here, there was no hyperlink here. So if this was say a link, we could do whoops, and then we can do href equals, I don't know, google.com. And we can get rid of the type as button. We don't need that, it doesn't matter because it's a hyperlink. And then we can go in and get rid of this as well. href equals google.com. All right, so now what we'll do is we'll click convert again, and we should have new settings. Yep, we got a link 1 URL and we have a link 2 URL. So we'll copy this and we'll go in and add this back, hit save, and then let's refresh this, and then you'll have URL links. So this is a very beta feature. It's going to be exclusive for Ecomify users only, but for now it is open for the public. We're just beta testing it, making sure everything works correctly. And then if you have Ecomify theme, you'll be able to create custom sections yourself. This will be a tool to kind of really add more features to your Ecomify theme. And my advice is I would go and look for Bootstrap 5 HTML elements, or components rather, HTML components. So let me just type in hero again. Man, Shopify, you're slow today, I don't know why. So now, if you can see, we have, we can do pages, quiz, and then if I click on that, you'll see pages, quiz. Yeah, so that's a really cool tool for you guys, and let me know what you guys think. Definitely report any bugs or any issues. If something comes out wrong, please, provide that, give us that feedback is what I'm trying to say. One other thing too is what you could do is, say you don't like the titles for this. I'm going to give you a little secret here. You can go to chat.openai and say, give the settings better names and then better names, and make sure to update the section settings IDs as well to match correctly. This is a Shopify section. And then, ChatGPT will do its thing. So then it'll give you a better name. So hero image, it's saying hero rich text. So it's giving you better names for your options, which we will be incorporating AI for this as well, just to kind of improve it. So the code already creates everything for you, but what we do is we want to, so hero link 1, hero link text, hero rich text, hero card, hero, yeah, that's perfect, honestly. And it updates everything accordingly. Great, cool. So we hit save, refresh, and then it'll make more sense. Because right now, you just see, I gave it general setting names. It creates it automatically, but sometimes people want better, understandable setting names. Hero. Centered hero section. Yeah, I even gave it a better name. There you go. So you get hero image, hero like that. So now you guys can go and create sections. So yeah, let me know what you guys think. I'm also including a link